Hi everyone, this is my friend Carl. Hey, is this thing on? Is this thing on? Yeah, I think it's on. Okay, I just want to make sure it's on. Are you sure it's on? Huh? Get away from there. Sorry. And I'll prove to you that this is my voice and my voice only. Hey everybody, it's me, Carl the Construction Worker. Hey! That doesn't sound anything like me. Why are you hitting yourself? Why are you hitting yourself? Why are you hitting yourself? Idiot. Stop it! Prove to you that this is my real voice. Hey Anthony Dundee! See? It's me, I'm Carl the Construction Worker. Now watch this part move. So how are you doing today, Carl? I'm doing pretty good. Alright, now I've been getting that a lot of people told me that you sound a lot like Bubba J from Jeff Dunham. What? I do not sound like Dr. J. I'm not an alcoholic. Notch. So anyway, how about I'll ask the questions and then you will answer them. Okay. Do your parents know you're gay? Well, we're waiting. This is only a yes or no question. I'm not gay. Well, you sure talk like it. Stop it. You are gay. Hey, don't hit the button. Jerk. What? I said no. So, let me ask you some questions. Okay. When were you born? Stop it, just say, where were you born? I was born in my house. Does that answer your question? I guess. Good. Freaking idiot. Somehow, Carl, I think you're just so mean. I think your mom's mean. Don't say that stuff like that about my mom. Well, she's 9 on too. Ooh. Okay, first of all, do you even have a mother? Yes. Yeah, what's her name? Sheila. What? I thought your wife's name was Sheila. It is. She's named after my mother. So she's your sister. No, she's my wife. Well, maybe just a bit of coincidence. No! My mom specifically named her Sheila Jr. What's your name? I'm Carl Diener. Beaner? Diener. Diener? Look, I'm trying to say D-E-A-N-E-R. Oh, Beamer. No, Sherlock. Alright. Why do I have to come down here anyway? I just wanted to get people to know you on YouTube. What? Is this thing on?
Oh, oh, oh.
Stop it.
Okay, well, lawyer, Daddy.
Bye.
You still suck.
Hey, the camera's still on.
Oh.